So I'm just pulling dinner together, and this is what I think is a really fabulous dinner. It doesn't have to be a recipe all the time, guys. As much as I develop recipes, I often just stick with the basics. So I start here with our greens. We need greens, and this is a big romaine. I've already served some up. Ollie smells the potatoes, so he's whining here. But this was a full bowl, and I do a mix of romaine, and then I just sear some kale. I just cook out the rawness a little bit and combine that. I'll pop the recipe for the Caesar in the description. And then I roasted up some chickpeas. I have a recipe for that on my site too. But you know what? I just toss it with some balsamic, a good balsamic, some seasonings, done. And then some oven baked potatoes. And that's gonna be dinner. And everyone likes this kind of dinner. So it doesn't have to be difficult, guys. It just has to be plants. Go make some.